Last week was a pretty quiet week. Let's see what this week has in store for us. We're back with another weekly outlook. Another quick analysis. So we've looked at our grains, wheat, corn, soybeans. Across all of them, it seems that commercials are hedging bearish on those, which would normally imply a bullish dollar. Then across livestock, all hedging bullish, which implies a bearish dollar. And across all of the indices as a whole, Nasdaq and Dow are hedging bullish, and S&P is hedging bearish. But price action is bullish on both, across all three industries. Sorry. Now, there's no SMT divergences that we usually look for on the indices. Going into the dollar index, let me just show you guys what I'm looking at over there. What we see is, we came up to these rejection blocks, we rejected off of them in the past 2 weeks, and we've been respecting them nicely. Going down into the daily time frame, we can see that largely we've been respecting bearish PDAs in the form of this bearish order block on the daily time frame. And if you drop down into the 4 hour, you can see what we've been really respecting is in here there was the bearish mitigation, but in here now it's now left behind a bearish breakout because of the run on liquidity, down move prior to the run on liquidity. Then we've broken down lower below these lows, which makes this a bearish breaker, this down move here. So as you can see, we came up into that, respected it, came down, created a new low, came up into it again, into this bearish breaker, and these up candles here, which act as bearish order blocks, and we respect them nicely, and we have a movement lower. Now that just confirms price action for me, along with the fact that live cat was bullish, and also the indices are also bullish, and they're inversely proportional to the dollar. So that more than confirms for me that we can expect a bearish week again this week. And yeah, that's really about it. In terms of news, there's been no news across the Wall Street Journal, Barron's, or Investors Business Daily that that we can be diametrically opposed to. There's only like the narrative, which I do kind of feed into, the narrative of the fact that the Fed are still combating inflation because of raised house prices. This retracement that we expect because of the long-term consolidation that we're actually in on the dollar isn't going to be such a deep retracement, just because the narrative is still overall bullish. We're just, I believe, experiencing a retracement. So we could reverse to bullish in the coming weeks or a month or so. Now, taking a look at the economic calendar, we see that so Monday is likely to consolidate. Tuesday looks like a great day for London. London session, Tuesday PPI, I wouldn't touch it. London close might be an opportunity. But if I miss like a London setup, or my London setup isn't there, I don't know whether or not I'll actually trade this London close, because if Jerome Powell speaking, like it's just long, right? Price action can be quite unpredictable, so for that reason it's a bit wishy-washy. Taking a look at Wednesday, however, Wednesday core CPI, uh, I would stay away from New York definitely. Something could form in London, but maybe we might see some choppy price action ahead of core CPI. Based on how economics works, core PPI is supposed to go the same way as core CPI in my assessment, but I haven't backtested that to really know. We're just gonna see. It happened last time. Let's see what happens this time. I might be trading this on demo. I might be trading CPI on demo just for bants, but definitely not on our evaluation challenges. And then we have Thursday, which looks like a very, very, very ideal New York session. Not necessarily ideal London, just because there's 4 a.m. news here that we don't like, and London close could be something for you guys as well. But I would recommend Thursday New York looks great, and then Friday. There's likely to be a London close setup, but it's going to be closing out the week. After like two sort of big days on Tuesday and Wednesday. So I believe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the trading days for this week, and it's best to leave out Friday and Monday. This week looks like it's set to make some noise. So, be on the lookout. Make sure that, your number one priority is protecting your capital. Don't go trading CPI unless you're chill like that. Me personally, I don't believe I'm chill like that yet. I need to backtest and gain some more experience with these news events first, with these high impact news events that drive the market like CPI, FOMC, etc. And then we can talk about them. But for now, yeah, I don't believe I'm chill like that. But as usual, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Helps with the algorithm, goes a long way. And I'll see you guys next week.